Raw veganism, the secret to enhanced health and well-being. Quote, "The food you eat can be either the safest and most powerful form of medicine or the slowest form of poison." Anne Wigmore. Hey there, welcome, and thank you for joining Eco Vegan Chua. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of raw veganism. Whether you're a curious beginner, a nutrition student, or a seasoned vegan looking to level up your diet, this video is for you. What is raw veganism? Raw veganism isn't just a diet. It's a lifestyle that celebrates the pure, unadulterated goodness of plant-based foods. Imagine a plate bursting with colors, textures, and flavors, all in their natural state. That's raw veganism in a nutshell. At its core, raw veganism means consuming food that is not cooked, uncooked food, and unprocessed plant foods. This includes fresh fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, sprouted grains and legumes, and healthy fats. The key? Nothing is heated above 118 degrees Fahrenheit, 48 degrees Celsius, preserving all those precious enzymes and nutrients. How to go raw vegan. Transitioning to a raw vegan diet might seem daunting, but fear not. Here's a step-by-step guide to ease your journey. 1. Start slow. Begin by incorporating more raw foods into your current diet. Try a refreshing juice or green smoothie for breakfast or a crisp salad for lunch. 2. Educate yourself. Learn about proper nutrition and food combining. Knowledge is power. 3. Simplicity. Raw veganism is all about simplicity. It doesn't require expensive equipment or complicated recipes. It's about enjoying fruits and vegetables in their natural, raw state to maximize their nutritional benefits. The only tool you might need is a knife, but even your teeth can do the job. Just wash some fruits and vegetables, sit down, and enjoy. 4. Equipment. If you need to speed up your raw food preparation or add some creativity to your meals, you might need a good blender, juicer, and a food processor. Additionally, a dehydrator can help you introduce more variety into your diet. 5. Experiment with recipes. From zucchini noodles to cashew cheese, the raw vegan world is full of creative culinary adventures. 6. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel and adjust accordingly. Everyone's journey is unique. When I first adopted a raw vegan diet, I was astonished by the rapid surge in my energy levels. My clarity and focus improved dramatically, and I experienced profound healing both inside and out. My mental health improved immediately, shifting from negative thoughts to healthy, positive ones. Raw food also awakened my spirituality, as if a veil was lifted from my eyes, allowing me to see clearly. In just a week, I felt like an entirely new person. Here are some of the juicy benefits of raw veganism. Get ready to glow from the inside out. Raw veganism offers a cornucopia of benefits. Increased energy. Say goodbye to that mid-afternoon slump. Improved digestion. Your gut will thank you. Clearer skin. Hello, natural radiance. Weight management. Nourish your body without counting calories. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. A gift to your future self. Environmental impact. Shrink your carbon footprint with every bite. Practical tips for success. 1. Meal prep. Wash and chop veggies in advance for quick and easy meals. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink water or fruits or vegetables juices to support digestion and overall health. 3. Balance your nutrients. Ensure you're getting enough protein, healthy fats, and vitamin B12. 4. Join a community. Connect with fellow raw vegans for support and recipe ideas. Here is a quick and easy raw vegan recipe. Try this energizing green goddess smoothie. 2 ripe bananas, 1 cup spinach, 1/2 avocado, 1 tablespoon chia seeds or flax seeds, 1 cup coconut water. Blend and enjoy. Your raw vegan journey starts now. Remember, every small step counts. Whether you're going fully raw or just adding more fresh foods to your diet, you're nurturing your body and the planet. Ready to embark on your raw vegan adventure? Hit that subscribe button and join our community of health-conscious individuals. Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's support each other on this vibrant journey to optimal health. Stay fresh, stay raw, and keep thriving. Thank you for watching.